Hello my friends, welcome back in my channel. My name is Miro and I am here with my February income in 2026, and I will give you the idea how much you can make on stock photography and how I really made in stock photography in this month. I will start with the the worst earner for me in February. Zero I made from agency, big agency like Point 5 Exclusive, Alami, and also Motion Elements. If you are updating to this agency, you know the agency well, and I will not explain how it's working. It's working well sometimes no, but for me February it's really nothing, zero, and that's it. This is the agency what is really wasting my time during the February. But don't forget, maybe will be much better in March, April, June, July. I don't know that. I don't know that, and you don't know that. Also, I will continue with the agency with low earner, what already make me some money, and in position number 10, it's 123 IRF. This company bring me 22 cents in total. It's really great because compared to other agency I mentioned before, it's at least something. Number nine, it's Vect Easy give me 51 cents during the February. Number 8, it's Free Peak give me $1.38 from 37 downloads. Is really huge downloads for me with Free Peak, but the income is really not worth it. I don't upload really to Free Peak. I don't really upload to Free Peak too much, but it's always something from old file I already sent it there, mostly artificial intelligence. Number 7, it's deposit photo. Deposit photo bring me $3.62, what is not a huge income, but I can see some movement. And number 6, it's Dreams Time. Dreams Time is a little bit better this month, February 2026, and Dreams Time bring me $4.10. And next 5 agency, it was the little bit better agency, bring me a little bit more money, but you know it was February, and February it's always a little bit down because it's short months, but it's not always like that. Sometimes it's better year, sometimes it's worse year. You know, if you are doing this business for a few years, you know what I'm talking about. Number 5. Number 5 for me it's Shutterstock. Shutterstock bring me 60 downloads, but only $24.66 from all these downloads. It's 2 videos and 58 images. $24.66 is not really a lot because I cannot even take my money out. The biggest portfolio is really on Shutterstock. The next agency for me is Black Box. Black Box is for me number 4, and this number 4 bring me $35.61 and in total 5 downloads. How you know the Black Box is only accepting with its video footages, and it was not really agency, it was really distribution agency. It's really good if you want to upload in one shot to more agency, and I have just few files there because I prefer upload many my file by myself to other agency. But I have to say for around $200 and I have to say 200 video files make me this money. It's really pretty good. I really thank you to Blackbox because it was definitely good earner for me. I have to say this video, what is right here, it's not uploaded to any other agency. This means I post really almost 100% exclusive only to the Blackbox. Number three, number three, it's for me iStock. iStock is from January. It was pretty good for me because all agencies good for me in January, and the total it's downloaded in total it's 49 photos and 15 video. Total is really 64 downloads, and if we talk about the money, bring me $92.73 during the January, but this is really February income because, how you know, the iStock is really 1 month behind. But it's really, I think, it's good months for me. I'm not complaining about it. Number two, it was Motion Array. Motion Array bring me $95, and $95 it's from 670 downloads, but is still really good because I don't upload nothing new last almost 6 months, zero video footage and just few images. But I have to say I sold maybe 5, 6, 7 images during all the time, and maybe more. I don't want to lie to you, but definitely the images it's not a big seller with this agency. I will try start asking Motion Array if I can start upload again some video footage, but I will see because I'm not sure how the agency will react to that, and I'm not really sure if I want upload to them again. I will see. This will be really my next month's decision. Maybe I will see during the March, April, and maybe even in May how I will decide. And number one, I don't have to mention you the company. Number one for me and probably for many other stock photographer and videographer, it's Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock is doing again great for me. Bring me in total $168.27. It was not really bad. I have downloaded 101 picture and 14 videos. This means in total $168.27. It's definitely great. If I count everything, total, the final number is $426.11. I am not complaining in February because, as I said, February is short month, and 426.11, it was pretty good. Honestly, if I compare with February 2025, it was $100 better compared to February. This means I am going up for February income in total number. I think it's no bad. You see some images and video footage during this presentation, and I cannot see you all the bestsellers because some is very easy to copyright, and I don't want to lose my idea what is really great e-commerce for me, and this is why I don't show the best what I sold. But someone you can see, and it's still a very good idea for you because some images or video footage is really good seller, and you cannot even think can be good seller. Just watch careful and think about it, and maybe you will find something similar. and maybe even better than I did. I like to share really a lot of information, but I really have to watch my backup, and I don't want to show public really all my the best seller, because I said, it's very easy to copyright, and I have to learn hard way, because nobody really helped me in the first my years. But I still love to share with everybody what I know, and I have no problem to answer many questions. Okay, in other section right here you can see what is my last uploaded images to the agency during the February. Someone is older, someone is newer, because during the winter I also try upload some old images or footages I did a few years before, because it's really good time for me, and I can go through all the images I have on my hard disk, and I can upload to the agency. And I must say, many it's selling. I'm surprised I don't upload them really before, because this is like I am losing my money because I don't upload a good material. You can also see some images what I already recommend to you to do in my last one or two video and footage idea what you can shoot at home. And I am always telling that you don't have to do really nothing special. Many my good and the best seller is really more simple than anybody think about that, because it's much better than anybody think. It's really easy to do, and definitely you don't need expensive equipment, you don't need big studio. Sometimes you need just phone, sometimes you need just camera and tripod. It's really about the idea. This is everything about. You have to think like the buyers. I said this many times. And if you don't have idea how you can sell or who can buy your images, this means you will never sell these images. You are just trying to shoot something, but you are don't know, you are not sure what you are really targeting, which market. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope so I will see you soon on my channel with some new information about my income. And of course, during the month I will upload some other ideas for you, what you can do and how you can do. And I hope so you can learn something new. Thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Doesn't matter where you are.